In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix notifications and calls not ringing in Microsoft Teams. First, open Microsoft Teams and look at the top right corner. Click your profile picture or your initials if you do not use a photo. A small menu will open. Just below your name, you'll see your current status. Click that status and make sure it is set to Available. If Teams is showing busy, do not disturb, away, or anything else, switch it back to available right here. This matters because some statuses can delay or silence alerts, especially for calls and message notifications. Next, stay in the top right area and click the three dots beside your profile picture. From that menu, choose Settings. Once the Settings window opens, go to Notifications and Activity in the left sidebar. Now move to the Sound section. Here, make sure Play Sounds with Notifications is turned on. If it is off, click the toggle to enable it. Right below that, turn on the option for Play Sounds with incoming calls, requests to join, and meeting start notifications. This is one of the most important settings if Teams is not ringing when someone calls you or when a meeting starts. If either of these sound options is disabled, Teams may still receive activity in the background, but you may not hear anything. Now scroll down to the Chats and Channel section. In this area, you'll see several notification options with drop-down menus. Go through each one carefully and make sure the drop-downs are set to Activity and Banner. Take your time here and check them one by one, because if even one of the important categories is set too quietly, you may stop seeing pop-ups or hearing alerts for messages and channel activity. After that, we need to check whether Windows itself is blocking notifications. Click the Start button on your taskbar. Then open Settings using the gear icon. In the left sidebar, click System. Then choose Notifications. At the top of this page, look for Do Not Disturb. If it is turned on, switch it off. Even if Teams is configured correctly, Windows Do Not Disturb can prevent banners, sounds, and call alerts from getting through. Now go back to Microsoft Teams. Once again, click the three dots in the top right corner beside your profile picture, then open Settings. This time, click Calls in the left sidebar. Look for the section called Call Handling and Forwarding. In this section, make sure Forward All Calls to Voicemail is turned off. If that option is enabled, Teams may send calls straight to voicemail without ringing on your computer. So this one is easy to miss but very important. At this point, your main notification and calling settings should be corrected. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If Teams still is not ringing properly, the next step is to reset the app so any corrupted settings or background issues get cleared out. Start by looking at the bottom right corner of your screen in the system tray. If the Teams icon is there, right-click it and close the app completely if that option appears. You want Teams fully shut down before resetting it. Now press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open Windows settings quickly. In the left sidebar, click Apps. Then click Installed Apps. At the top of the page, use the search bar to look for Microsoft Teams. Click into the search field and type Microsoft Teams slowly and clearly so the app appears in the list. Once you see it, click the three dots next to Microsoft Teams, then choose Advanced Options. This will open a more detailed settings page for the app. Scroll down until you reach the Reset section. In this section, click Reset. Windows will warn you that the app's data will be reset. Go ahead and confirm the reset. This process removes stored app data and forces Teams to rebuild its local settings, which often fixes cases where notifications, calls, and sound stop working properly even though the visible settings look correct. Once the reset finishes, open Microsoft Teams again. If Windows removed your active session, sign in again using your work or school account. After Teams opens, give it a moment to fully load and reconnect. It can take a little time for the app to sync your account, messages, and calling features after a reset. Now, test it. Ask someone to send you a message or place a Teams call if possible. Watch for the banner notification and listen for the sound. If everything is set correctly, you should now see pop-up alerts and hear incoming calls ring normally again. One final tip before you go: if you use headphones, an external speaker, or a docking station, make sure your computer's active audio output is the device you actually want to hear. Sometimes Teams is ringing, but the sound is being sent to another audio device in the background, which makes it seem like notifications are broken when the real issue is just the current playback device. And that's how to fix notifications and calls not ringing in Microsoft Teams.